Jawad, Mahira, it will soon be time for prayers. It will soon be time for prayers. It will soon be time for prayers. Don't you have any questions to ask today? Don't you have any questions to ask today? Don't you have any questions to ask today?
Baba, why did Imam Hussein go to Karbala? Why did Imam Hussein go to Karbala? Why did Imam Hussein go to Karbala?
My dears, Imam Hussein didn't willingly choose to go to Karbala. Imam Hussein didn't willingly choose to go to Karbala. Imam Hussein didn't willingly choose to go to Karbala.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
The enemies left him no choice. The enemies left him no choice. The enemies left him no choice. But it was always destined for him to be there. Destined for him to be there. Destined for him to be there. Let me tell you how. Let me tell you how. Let me tell you how.